Hi everyone, it's Vicky Papaioannou here, and today I'm introducing my new Stamperia collection, Christmas Plus. It contains products that can add that extra touch on your Christmas projects, and let's start with the ribbons. Lovely designs in silver, gold, white and a touch of red, cleverly designed to match all the Christmas Stamperia collections. In the collection you will also find 2 packs of ephemera that have that vintage look and feel. In one of the ephemera packs you will find frames, mailboxes, letters, flowers, everything in neutral colors so you can match it with any one of your collections, and you can see the designs are so versatile that you can use them with your Christmas collections or without throughout the year. In the other ephemera pack you will find tickets, film frames, postal stamps, and again these are not just for Christmas, very versatile and can be used to make any cluster look fuller. In the new collection you will also find 2 clear stamps perfect for creating calendars, daily planners, traveler's notebooks and even bullet journals. Then a clear stamp set for your Christmas projects, 9 different designs that you can use them in combination or just separately. And then a more versatile clear stamp set with foliage but also stars and snowflakes for your Christmas projects. In this collection you will also find these amazing journal organizers, 2 sizes, one that fits the A5 journals and another one that fits the A6 ones, and there are 4 nice and sturdy elastics inside that will hold 4 different journals. In the package you also get 4 metal corners to embellish all the corners of your album if you wish so. You get the metal corners for both the sizes, and both albums are white, front and back, and also on the each side, which gives you the opportunity to embellish them any way that you like. And you can see here an example of how it can fit the A6 as well as the A5 journals, leaving lots of space to add 4 of them inside and enough space for you to make those journals quite bulky from your projects. So here is an example of how I decorated my organizer on the outside with the Olala collection. It fits 4 big journals on the inside. And of course remember, you can make your very own notebooks to fit inside by using the beautiful pattern papers that you already own. The larger size that fits the A5 journals is also available in a canvas cover that has that lovely ivory color. Again, comes with 4 elastic bands as well as the 4 metal corners. And our Stamperia dye ink pad collection is growing by adding 6 new colors in the line. Here is a color swatch on all the new colors. I did a heavy application of the ink at the bottom of the swatch so you can see how the color looks when it's saturated, and at the top for a softer look I just used our blending brushes. And then we have 7 colors of embossing powders, beautiful shiny colors that are going to add that extra touch on your Christmas projects. You can see sparkling gold, antique gold, silver, sparkling snow, a beautiful holiday red, beautiful green holiday green, as well as a blue one. And of course for doing our embossing we need a juicy ink pad, so we have a new one from Stamperia, as well as a couple of embossing pens. In clear and black they have a fine tip so you can combine them with the embossing powders and add that extra detail on your projects. And last but not least, 4 colors of contour liners. Add dots, lines, create borders, add that extra special touch on your projects. When it dries, it stays dimensional, holds its shape and it doesn't crack. You will find them in 4 colors: gold, old gold, iridescent and white. In my upcoming videos, of course, I will be using lots of these products again and again so you can see them in action and get inspired. The new collection is already traveling to your favorite crafty shops and I cannot wait to see what you create.